Alright people, something you want to stay away from. The Ford 4-cylinder 1.5 liter EcoBoost motor. It's one of the most problematic motors that Ford makes. Even with 9,000 miles, this engine's blown up. The 1.5 liter motor, you can find it in a Focus, an Escape, a Fusion. I've seen them with less than 15 miles on them that are blown up, and the most I've seen is 60,000 miles before they blow up. Do yourself a favor. Don't buy the 1.5 liter vehicle with the 4-cylinder 1.5. It's an EcoBoost little 4-cylinder. It's called GDI, gasoline direct injection. Has one fuel injector with high fuel pressure. Causes carbon buildup. Just all kinds of problems. Do yourself. Save your money. Don't buy one.